Hi everyone, let's now look at the answers for P6 Foundation Maths Revision Set I, Paper 1. Question 1. In 568,790 equals to 500,000 plus what number plus 8,000 plus 700 plus 90. So I know the value of 5, I know the value of 8 which is 8,000, 7 which is 700, 9 which is 90. So this is the value that I don't know. So what is this value of 6? Is 60,000. Round off 415.93 to the nearest whole number. So nearest whole number is 415 or 416. 0.93 is more than 0.5. So you round up, which is 416. In the number line shown, which mixed number does letter A stands for? So I know this is 2, which is 2 whole. These are all fractions, so I can make them into units. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know this is 5 units in this one whole. And A, it is 2 units, so it's 2/5. So what does letter A stands for? Is 2 whole and 2/5, which is option number 3. Express 2 and 19 thousands as a decimal. So I know that I need to express this as a decimal. 19 divided by 1000, which is 0.019. So answer is 2.019, which is option number 3. What is the area of the triangle shown below? So I know I need to find the area of triangle. I need to look for the right angle. So this is my base and this is my height. So area of triangle is half times base times height, which is half times 16 times 12. Answer is 96 cm square, which is option number 2. The height of the teacher's table is about, answer would be 380 cm, because 80 meter would be very long. 8 meter would be around the length of the classroom, and 8 centimeter is very short. Question 7. 1 hour 45 minutes after the time shown on the clock face. So I know this is 10:30. 1 hour 45 minutes later, after will be later. So 1 hour will be 11:30. 45 minutes. So 11:30 to 12 o'clock will be 30 minutes. And I need another 15 minutes to make 45 minutes. So this would be 12:15. Answer is 12:15. Question 8. In the figure below, which lines are perpendicular to each other? If I use a ruler or I use my set square, I will know that this is perpendicular. So answer A, B is perpendicular to BE. So I put my set square here. Okay. Question 9. Sam bought 25 pens. 10 of them were red and the rest were blue. So I know altogether he has 25 pens. Red 10 and the rest blue is 15. What percentage of the pens were red? Is 10 out of 25. I want to find percentage. I multiply by 100%. So my answer would be 40%. Option number 3. The bar graph below shows the number of books read by 5 children over a few months. So I have Ahmad, Bala, Chandran, Don and Ethan. Okay, so Ahmad read twice as many books as what? So I know Ahmad must read 2 times more. This is Ahmad. So this person must be half of Ahmad. So if I look at this, if I look carefully, this would be 20, 22, 24, right? So half of 24 would be 12. So this is 24, this is 12. So the answer is 2, Chandran. Who read a total of 70 books? So if I look at this is 24, Bala is 22, Chandran is 12, Dawn is 48, and Ethan is 20. So total of 70 books. Ahmad and Dawn would be 24 plus 48, which gives me 72. Bala and Dawn is 48 plus 22, which gives me 70. So my option is 2. Question 12. A total cost of a calculator and dictionary is $89. Calculator costs 39 less than the dictionary. So I know a calculator and dictionary. Calculator costs less than the dictionary, which is $39. Total cost is 89. So I want to find the cost of the calculator. So I need to take away this part. So I take 89 minus 39 will give me 50. And then there are 2 units, so 50 divided by 2 gives me 25. So the calculator costs 25. The dictionary will cost 25 plus 39, which is 25 plus 39, 64. So if I add up 64 plus 25 will give me 89. So that's how I check. Question 13. Ain cut a pizza into 6 equal pieces. So I have 6 equal pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She ate 1/3. So 6 pieces, she ate 1/3. How many pieces of pizza were left? What is 1, 2, 3, 4? 4 pieces. Because 1/3 equals to 2, 6, right? So 6 minus 2, 6 gives you 4, 6. Question 14. Nadia saved 450 each day from Monday to Friday and $13 on Saturday. So Monday to Friday is 5 days. How much did she save from Monday to Saturday? So Monday to Friday, 5 days. Each day is $4.50, and I would get $22.50. So Saturday is $13, so $22.50 plus 13, and my answer would be $35.50. Option number 3. 15. Raja is now 12 years old. 2 years ago, he was twice as old as Vani. So now, Raja is 12 years. 2 years ago. So you minus 2, right? So Raja would be 10 years old. 2 years ago, Raja 10 years old, he was twice as old as Vani. So Vani will be half of Raja, which is 5 years old. How old was Vani 2 years ago? Answer is 5 years old. 16. The perimeter of the square is 40 cm. Find the area of the shaded triangle. So now I know. Can you remember? This is my length, my breadth, my perimeter. How do I find perimeter? Perimeter is length plus breadth times 2. So my perimeter is 40. So first I take 40, divide by 2, which is 20. Right? My length and breadth is the same, so it's 10 and 10. Find the area of the shaded triangle. So I know this is 10. My height is also 10. So it's half times 10 times 10. And the area of the triangle AED is 50 cm square. Question 17. Rectangular container measuring 8 cm by 6 cm by 10 cm is filled to a depth of 3 cm. How much water is needed? So now I know that I need to fill up this part here, this volume. This is 10 cm, this is 3 cm. So this height is 7 cm. So I need to find how much water can I fill here. So I know my length is my 8, my breadth is 6. So my volume is length times breadth times height. My length is 8 cm, my breadth is 6 cm, my height is 7 cm. And I would get 336 cm cubed, which is option number 3. Question 18. The volume of a can of drink is 250 ml. How many liters are there in each such cans? So 1 can, 250 milliliter. 8 cans would be 250 times 8, which is 2000 ml. I want to find liters. I take 2000 divide by 1000, which gives me 2 liter. Option number 2. In the figure below, not drawn to scale, PQR is a straight line. So I know this whole angle is 180 degree. Find this angle. I take 180 minus 40 minus 75. My answer will be 65 degree, which is option number 2. Question 20. 600 people were at a concert. 80% of them were adults and the rest were children. So I know this is the 600, which is my 100%. Adults 80%, children 20%. How many more adults than children? More adults, so I draw my model. This is adult, children. Adult is 80, children 20, so this difference is 60, right? So I want to find this 60%, how many? So I know 100% is my 600 children. 1% will be 600 divided by 100, which is 6. I want to find 60%. 60 times 6, answer is 360, which is option number 2. Find the value of 6.8 plus 15.4. I know it's decimal. I must align properly. 6.8, 15.45. If I add correctly, I would get 22.35. Subtract 2 and 1/2 minus 2/5. So 2 and 1/2 would be 2. My denominator must be 10, right? So 5, 10 minus 4, 10, 2 and 1, 10. Write 18,520 in figures, so in numbers. Find the value of 816 divided by 4. So 800 divided by 4 is 4. 200, so 2 times 4 is 8. The tens I cannot divide, so I put a 0. 16 ones, so 4 times 4 is 16 ones. Answer is 204. A movie starts at 8:45 p.m. ended at 11:30 p.m. How long did the movie last? So first I know this 8:45, 9:45, 10:45. So it's 1 hour, 1 hour. 10:45 to 11 o'clock. This 11 o'clock is 15 minutes. Another 15 minutes will give me, sorry, I need 30 minutes to give me 11:30. So this whole minute together, 30 plus 15 will be 45 minutes. So my answer is 2 hours 45 minutes. The figure below, A, B, C, D, E, F are straight lines. Find the value of B. So if I look carefully, I will see vertically opposite angles. So B is here. I know this whole thing is 180, so it's 180 minus 65 minus 47, and my answer is 68 degree. 25. Express as a percentage. To change the percentage, I multiply by 100%. So it's 72 out of 300 times 100%. 72 divided by 3. Answer will be 24. Table below shows the postage rates in a country. Mabel wants to post a letter weighing 80 gram. So I know 80 gram is here, somewhere here, right? I need to pay 50 cents and parcel weighing 475. So 475 is more than 250, so I must pay this weight, which is $1. So how much must he pay for the two items, which is $1.50. 27. The pie chart shows the favorite fruits of a group of children. Number of children who likes grapes is the same as the number of children who likes mangoes. So they are the same. This is equal to this. So I know this is 40 children in a group. This is 1/4 because this is half. Okay, this and this will be the same. So 1/4 divided by 2, because this will add up to 1/4, right? So it's 1/4 times half, which is 1/8. So this is 1/8, this is 1/8. There are 40 children in a group, so 8 unit is 40. 1 unit will be 40 divided by 8, which is 5. How many children like mangoes? So mango is 1 unit, so answer is 5. 3/8 of a group of dancers are girls. There are 30 more boys than girls. So now I know there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, these are girls, these are boys. So girls and boys, girls is 3 unit, boys is 5 unit. Difference of 2 unit. So 30 more boys than girls, so 2 unit is 15. Sorry, 2 unit is 30, 1 unit is 30 divided by 2, which is 15. How many dancers are all together? There are 8 units, so 15 times 8, answer is 120. Question 29. Desmond took 12 minutes to walk from his house to the bus stop, took another half hour to travel by bus to his school. If he reached school at 7:15, so what time? So I know 7:15 is the time that he arrives in school. You know, we want to find out what time did he reach. So I know he takes half hour to travel. So if it takes half an hour, 15 minutes will be 7. Another 15 minutes will be 6:45. Right? And he takes 12 minutes to walk from his house. So 6:45, 15 minutes would be 6:30. Okay, I need to 6:30, I need to add another, because it's 12. 15 minus 3 will be 12. So I minus 3 will be 6:33, because I plus 3. So answer is 6:33 a.m. They asked to be in 24-hour clock, so it's 6:33 hour. In the figure, A, B, C, D are squares of different lengths. Find the length of square D. So I know this square D is 1 unit by 1 unit, right? So C is also 1 unit and 1 unit. B would be 2 unit, 2 unit. How about A? A would be 2 and 2 would be 4 unit, 4 unit, right? So now I want to find the length of square D. I want to find 1 unit. So 4 unit is 20 cm. 1 unit will be 20 divided by 4, which is 5 cm. So 1 unit is 5. So this is 5 cm. Length of square D is 5 cm. We have come to the end of the answer. Goodbye.